Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we're going to talk about something absolutely critical for any industrial site here in the kingdom, the PST1 push-pull pole. Let's really dig into why this simple-looking tool is one of the smartest investments you can make for the safety and the productivity of your most valuable asset, your people.
All right, let's start with a scene you've probably witnessed 1,000 times on oil and gas sites, construction projects, and industrial plants all across Saudi Arabia. It's a task that happens every single day, but it carries a huge and often overlooked risk. I want you to really think about this question for a moment. When one of your team members has to put their hands near a heavy suspended load just to guide it into place, what's really on the line? Believe me, it's so much more than just a medical bill. You know the drill. Riggers are handling pipes, construction crews are positioning massive steel beams. The need to control these heavy, swinging loads is constant. But when they use their hands, or maybe grab a random piece of wood, they are putting themselves right in the line of fire. One slip, one wrong move, and you're looking at a life-changing injury. See, the impact of just one incident, it doesn't just stop with the injured worker. It sends a ripple effect through your entire operation, hitting your timelines, your budget, and ultimately your company's hard-won reputation. And here's where it gets really interesting. It's like a domino effect. One injury means an immediate stop work order. That leads to expensive downtime. That causes project delays. And that damages your safety record, puts your big contracts at risk, and it just brings down the morale of the whole team. Suddenly, this isn't just a safety issue, it's a massive business problem.
Okay, so that's the problem. And this is the solution. The PST1 push-pull pole was engineered specifically to solve this exact problem. This isn't some makeshift workaround, it's a purpose-built tool designed to get hands out of the danger zone. Period.
So, what is it exactly? Well, think of it as a professional safety tool that lets your team keep a safe distance from the load while still giving them total, precise control to push, pull, and position it exactly where it needs to go. It completely removes the reason for anyone's hands to get near that danger zone.
And the benefits? They're immediate and they're real. First and foremost, you're preventing those severe hand and finger injuries we've been talking about. But it also gives your operators way better control over the load. On top of that, it's been independently tested by SGS, a global leader in certification for both strength and electrical safety. Plus, the ergonomic design means less fatigue, so your team can work safer for longer.
Let's talk about strength for a second, because this isn't just a stick. It's certified by SGS to handle a push force of over 2,800 newtons. To put that in perspective, that's like being able to push something that weighs almost 300 kilograms. That's serious industrial-grade strength, giving your team the power they need to control those heavy loads with complete confidence. And the pulling force is just as impressive. We're talking over 1,650 newtons. This gives your crew the ability to safely pull and maneuver loads from a distance, knowing for a fact that the tool is built to handle the strain and won't fail when it counts the most.
Now this next feature, for many of you, this is absolutely critical. The pole is certified as non-conductive up to nearly 10,000 volts. So in any environment where you've got overhead power lines or other electrical risks, this isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's a potential lifesaver. It's a vital layer of protection against a deadly hazard.
When you see it laid out like this, side by side, the choice is just so clear. On one hand, you have the PST1 with high safety, excellent control, and engineered durability. On the other, you have makeshift junk that offers poor control, breaks easily, and puts your people at an unacceptable risk. It's not even a contest.
So it's pretty obvious the tool itself is the right choice. But a tool is only part of the solution, right? For any serious operation, the question isn't just what to buy, it's who you partner with to make sure this safety solution actually works for you in the long run.
Let's be straight about this. You can probably buy this part from anyone. The product is out there. But what you can't get from just anyone is the complete solution and the long-term peace of mind. And that's what you get when you partner with us at AskA Solution. We don't just ship you a box, we deliver a partnership.
So what does that partnership actually look like? Well, for us, it's built on 5 key pillars. We are an approved, certified partner right here in KSA. We give you competitive pricing on top quality, genuine products. We deliver anywhere in the kingdom. We provide a full turnkey service, and most importantly, we stand with you with lifetime local support.
Our credentials are your guarantee. Being an Aramco-approved supplier and an ISO-certified company means we've already been vetted against the highest standards for quality and safety in the kingdom. So when you work with us, you're choosing a trusted partner that's ready to support your operations from day one. No questions asked.
So at the end of the day, this decision isn't just about buying a tool. It's about how you choose to invest in the long-term safety and efficiency of your entire operation.
If you take one thing away from this, let it be this. Don't just buy a product. Invest in a complete solution from an Aramco-approved partner who's right here in the kingdom, ready to support you whenever you need it.
When you choose AskA Solution, you're not just getting the best safety tool out there. You're getting it backed by our local team of engineers and technicians who provide installation, training, and maintenance support to keep your operations running safely and without interruption.
It's time to take that next step to protect your team and your projects. Get in touch with us today for a technical consultation, and let's talk about how the PST1 push-pull-pull can become a key part of your safety program. Shukran, we look forward to helping your operation succeed.